Hey, Adri. I only got 1 minute left on this camera. Do something special. You smiling. It's a nice sunny day, huh? The wind blowing at you. Can you say hi? Can you wave your hand? Say bye-bye. Hi. You can't do that? Say hi. Let me see. Say hi. Let me see your sandals. Ooh, look at those fat feet. Look at those fat feet. Those chubby feet. Look at those chubby feet. Okay, I'll talk to you later. No, I'm not trying to really do anything. You acting shy. Are you acting shy? Huh? Are you acting shy? Yeah. What you doing? What you doing with that tongue? What you doing? No, don't try to grab the camera. No. Don't grab the camera. Okay, bye-bye.